Hi friends, today let us learn about debit note. A debit note means debiting someone's account. The name tells you exactly what it does. It debits someone's account. Usually, the debit note is used to debit the supplier account. For example, if you purchase goods from a supplier, when you receive the goods are damaged, or the quality is not right, or the supplier charged excess rate in the invoice. Then what you do? You have to return the goods or claim the reduction. Now you have to issue a debit note. So the supplier accounts gets debited and your payment to the supplier is reduced. When we issue a debit note, three important things we have to mention. The first one is amount. The debit note must clearly state how much is being debited, and both the goods amount and the GST breakup should be given separately. And the second one is the reason for debit note. We have to clearly mention the reason why we are issuing debit note, whether it is a quality rejection or short supply or excess rate, whatever it is, we have to mention it clearly. And the third one, against which original bill we are issuing the debit note. The debit note must refer the original purchase invoice and it matches your ITC reversal in GSTR-3B report. It is very important for GST audit. Friends, now let us get into the practicals. Go to display more reports, press enter, go to account books, press enter, go to ledger, press enter, select Devi Industries, press enter. Now you can see we have made one purchases for the amount 2,36,000. See, closing balance same amount, only one purchases we made. Press enter. This is the purchase invoice and we have purchased 4 number of Samsung mobile at the rate of 50,000. Now come back, pressing escape key. Now let us assume out of 4 mobile, 1 mobile is damaged, so that we have to raise the debit note for 1 mobile. Now go to vouchers, press enter, and here other vouchers, click on that or press F10. Select debit note, press enter. See here, now we are in debit note. So party name Devi Industries, select Devi Industries, press enter, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl A, here purchase account, press spacebar, select Samsung, press enter. So quantity 1 is damaged. 50,000 we are returning it. Press enter, press Ctrl A, and here press spacebar, select CGST, automatically the CGST appears here, and select SGST, press enter. In the narration, you have to mention clearly why you are returning. Damaged in transit. Invoice number you have to mention. Just I'll assume I'll mention it. Press enter to accept. Now the debit note has been saved. Now press page up key to retrieve the debit note. Yeah, this is the debit note we have raised against Devi Industries. Now go to print. Go to preview. Yeah, this is the debit note. You can zoom it. You can see clearly the Devi Industries, the debit note number, dated, and the item, the quantity, rate, and the CGST and SGST. And the total debit note amount is here. This is the debit note. You can print and issue it to the supplier. Now come back by pressing escape key. Now you can verify the ledgers. Go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to account books. Press enter. Go to ledgers. Press enter. Select Devi Industries. Press enter and change the period. Keep it blank. Blank means it will show from the day 1 to till date. See here, earlier we had only purchases. Now we have raised a debit note for 59,000. Now see the closing balance come down. Now it is 1,77,000. Now we have to pay only 1,77,000. Now in the same way you can check the tax amount, GST amount. Here you press F4 or click on ledger. Select CGST. Press enter. See here, the Devi Industries purchase invoice 18,000 was CGST for 4 Samsung mobiles. Now we have issued a debit note for one Samsung, that is 4,500. CGST has been adjusted. The same way we can check SGST. Go to ledgers and select SGST. See here, 18,000 debit was there, SGST. Now through the debit note it has been credited 4,500. Now come back by pressing escape key. Now we have completed the ledger verification. Let us go to GST reports. Press enter. Go to GSTR-3B. Change the period. Keep it blank. Now go to input tax credit, ITC. Press enter. Go to input tax credit. Press enter. See here, the Devi Industries purchases 18,000 and debit note 4,500. Now the SGST and CGST has come down. Earlier it was 18,000, now it is 13,500. This is the third verification we have done. First one is debit note verification, printing, and second ledger verification, and this one is GSTR-3B verification. Come back by pressing escape key. Friends, this is all about debit note. In the previous video, we have discussed about credit note. It is available in this video. If you did not watch the video, go back and watch the credit note video. Now your challenge is create a complete cycle in your practicing company. Record a purchase invoice, return some goods with a debit note, and then sell some goods and take back return with a credit note. Verify all the 6 screens, 3 for credit note and 3 for debit note verification. When all 6 report matches, you have mastered both the documents. Drop a comment if you have any doubt or any questions. And if these 2 videos helped you, please like both the videos and share them. In the next video, we are discussing about the TDS. So you subscribe for this channel so you do not miss it. Thank you so much, and let us meet in the next video.